Extreme space weather can be dangerous for astronauts and technology in space and on Earth, but scientists at Skoltech in Russia and an international team developed a new way to predict these harmful events. Researchers studied fast coronal mass ejections, or powerful eruptions of magnetized matter from the sun's outer atmosphere. They're one of the most energetic eruptive phenomena in our solar system and the main cause of major space weather events. The team found the strongest storms occurred when coronal mass ejections interacted with other ejections, exploding one right after the other in the same active area. Researchers say this sheds light on the most intense space weather and helps scientists predict when they'll strike. Coronal mass ejections produce gigantic plasma clouds and powerful shock waves that can reach Earth in less than a day. Researchers say if Earth was hit with one of these extreme events today, our modern devices would not be protected. It could cost up to several $1 trillion in damages. Plus, the repairs to infrastructure and the economy could take up to 10 years. The findings were published in the Astrophysical Journal.